All right, the flu is on the move, and this year's flu virus is expected to be worse than usual. And here with high and low tech tips to protect your family from cold and flu is Dr. Heather Hawthorne. We're so happy to have you on the Blend this morning. Good morning. So
Good morning. Thank you for having me. Such an important topic, so glad I could share.
Absolutely. Winter is the height of cold and flu season, right? So how does this year compare to maybe years past?
Yeah, this has been a really nasty flu season. We're seeing the flu widespread everywhere at the same time, so much earlier than in years past. Also, the particular strain we're seeing the most of happens to be one that causes very severe symptoms.
I'm actually just getting over mine. My symptoms lasted about 4 weeks. So what would maybe your top 5 tips for avoiding the flu or cold this season?
First of all, make sure you got your flu shot. Even though you've been sick, Stephanie, if you haven't gotten it, go get it. It's not too late. The flu shot is not perfect, but it does help. So definitely get your flu shot. Wash your hands, wipe down surfaces, keep your hands off your face. We're constantly touching our mouth, our nose, our eyes, and that's a quick way to get those germs into our respiratory tract. Stock your medicine cabinet. Be prepared in case you do get sick, and then have a plan for how you're going to get medical help if it is something more serious than just a cold.
Absolutely. And the first thing I was doing was reaching for the medicine cabinet, but it felt like nothing was helping. What are some of the best medicines that we should keep on hand?
Nasal saline can provide a lot of relief. It's antimicrobial, it thins your mucus, helps with the sinus and nasal congestion. So nasal saline. You're going to want to have a Mucinex or generic equivalent on hand for that icky, sticky mucus that makes us feel so terrible. Pain relievers, fever reducers, so your ibuprofen, acetaminophen, especially if it is the flu, you typically get high fevers and extreme body aches, so you want to have that available. One thing people don't think about is nasal steroid sprays like Flonase and Nasacort, which are over the counter for allergies. They actually work really well for the congestion that comes with the cold and flu. So definitely those things are a good start for anyone's medicine cabinet.
All right, great advice. And what about those who are maybe sick or just don't have time to go to the doctor? What advice can you provide for them?
Consider telemedicine. It's very popular, especially this flu epidemic. It's become even more popular across the country. Telemedicine is a way to connect with a physician using an app on your smartphone. You can have a face-to-face video visit with a doctor from the comfort of your home, or in my patients' cases recently from their bed because they don't feel like getting out of bed. So it's a great way to see a doctor, get some recommendations. We can order labs, write your prescription, get you started on Tamiflu if needed.
And you said telemedicine. Wow, sounds like an incredible service. All right, thank you so much for sharing, Dr. Hawthorne. Great to have you on the Blend this morning. Anyone last website or a reminder to that website you want to send us to before we go?
So drondemand.com.
Thank you so much. You can also head to our website as well, fox4morningblend.com.